You can easily find and classify your documents by tagging them. It's very simple. Select the documents and click on the label icon. Choose one or several elements and validate by clicking on Add to Tags. To create new tags, go to the plus icon in front of the Tags section. Give a name to your tag, make your choice of color, and validate. You can now apply your custom tag to the documents you have selected. And by clicking on a tag, you quickly access all the documents that match it.